Here's the fun part. We are going to be mixing the glitters with the already mixed resin and hardener, right? Remember how we mix our resin and hardener. So we're mixing it together to give it this glitter that you usually see. And right about now, I'm going to be pouring it into the mold so that it gives me the shape I want. I'm going to go with letter J because I can. Yeah. So you pour it till it's full to the brim, okay? Pour it till it's full to the brim. You can decide not to pour it to full to the brim depending on what you have in mind, but I'm aiming to make a key holder with this letter J. So I'm pouring it there, and we have some left over, and I don't want to pour it into the earring because of the quantity is going to remain. So I'm going to pour it into letter I, yeah, because it can take it. And here we have it into letter I, right? This is another color, right? So you get how it looks. It's not so hard, it's not like rocket science, just for you to get the right mixture. The most important thing is mixing your resin and hardener correctly. The time frame and the quantity as well, that's the key thing. Once you get it right, every other thing falls in, right? So you just mix in the colors you want and you have what you aimed for. All you have to do after pouring this is to just let it dry for 24 to 48 hours, right? And in some cases, some resin usually take longer to dry. They usually take like 72 hours to dry, right? Here I'm pouring it into the earring mold so that it gives me the earring shape as well for the residue that's remaining from the one I mixed. And this is called a gold leaf. This is a gold leaf. I'm also going to be mixing it with the resin mixture that I had already prepared, right? You want to be careful to do it in a place that is not so windy. You can see how light it is, lighter than paper, right? So you need to mix it in a place that is not so windy. On this particular day, it was windy. The fan was not even on yet. I couldn't get a hold of it. So you need to get it in a place where it's not so windy so that you have control over it and your work doesn't get so tacky and you have the gold leaf scattered all over the place. And you don't want to do that because it will be a loss on your side. Even though it's not that expensive, this one sheet costs 500 naira, right? And it's quite pretty to use. I love it so much.